welcome to this RapidDeploy version 4.0 how-to guide. My name is Richard Bettison and today we're going to be looking at late property injection. Now you'll recall from earlier webcasts that you can set properties that change between environments as data dictionary items. So if we log into RapidDeploy, we go and look at a project. I'm going to choose this script demo 40 project, and this is a project that you can download from our portal site and install into your RapidDeploy. Go and look at the orchestration. See, we've got some data dictionary items here. These are the variables that can change between environments. Now if we want to make one of those data dictionary items a late property, all we need to do is make sure that it doesn't have any value set at any scope. So that means it won't have a value set at the project scope or at the target scope on the target we want to be prompted to enter that late property. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the authkey property here, and I'm going to make it blank. And save that. It still shows us having the stars, but it is actually blank. I save that. Then, if you remember from when we ran the orchestration previously, what we've got set here is an environment-specific orchestration task. And I'd refer you to the how-to guide on environment-specific orchestration. So in the production environment, we have a check Redmine ticket status, and that sets the authkey to be the @authkey data dictionary item, which we've now zeroed and set to null. So what will happen is at deployment time we'll be prompted to enter that value, and that means we don't have to store that in the file system, albeit it might be encrypted on the file system. But if we don't want to store it on the file system, we will then require the user at deployment time to enter that value, and different users might have different values. So we want to make sure that they are in fact authorized. Okay, I'm going to go and have a look at the targets. We'll go and have a look at the production target because that's the only one that this property applies to. And we can see here it says that the authkey is empty. So therefore we should be prompted at deployment time. Okay, so I'm going to create a new package. And let's go ahead and run a deployment job. I'll use the shortcut here to take us straight there. So we're going to select the production red triangle. Let's select next. Let's pick the latest version. Let's select next. And now you'll see that it says here we get this warning, late properties remain to be configured. And this is late property injection. You should note as well that any properties entered at this point will never be stored on the file system. They're only used in memory. And we can see that the authkey is showing up here as the late property to be injected. Now you don't have to enter a value here. If I hit accept and then next, then it would accept that I'd chosen to leave the value as blank. But of course that would cause our deployment to fail in this case because we need that authkey in order to be able to log into Redmine. So I'm going to enter the authkey and I accept that. And I can hit skip to finish, next, and I can start that job. The job's running. We'll see that that's completed. If we go and look at the log file, we'll be able to see down here somewhere. Here we go. So here's checking the ticket status. If we scroll down, we can see that that validation of the state of the requested ticket has been performed successfully. Okay, so that concludes this how-to guide on how to set up late property injection. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.